Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Are you feeling the fear of missing out on the next big thing in investing? I sure am, and I think most of us are. But as a conservative investor, I've got to be honest with myself. I don't have what it takes to buy into the iShares Bitcoin Trust. This exchange-traded fund is designed to reflect the performance of Bitcoin's price, making it easy for investors to get in on the crypto action without having to navigate the wild world of cryptocurrencies. And let me tell you, it's been a wild ride so far, with returns of over 85% since its inception in early 2024. But as attractive as that sounds, I've got to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The iShares Bitcoin Trust has an expense ratio of 0.25%, which is pretty standard for an ETF. But what really caught my attention was when I looked at the drawdowns, or periods of significant decline in value, over the past year. And let me tell you, those drawdowns have been substantial. If I had invested in the iShares Bitcoin Trust, I'd be looking at some serious losses right now. But that's not just a problem with this particular ETF, it's a problem with the crypto market as a whole. Now I know what you're thinking, but Ruben, isn't that volatility a good thing? It means the market is healthy and there are opportunities to be made. And yes, that's true. But for an investor like me, who values stability and predictability, it's just too much to handle. I'm not saying I don't think the iShares Bitcoin Trust has potential, or that I don't want to see others make a killing in the crypto space. But for me, personally, it's just not worth the risk. And if you're thinking of investing in this ETF because you're worried about missing out, I'd say take a step back and reevaluate your investment plan. Is buying into the iShares Bitcoin Trust really part of your long-term strategy, or are you just caught up in the hype? If it's the latter, then maybe you should hold off, or consider getting a better understanding of how this ETF works before putting your money on the line. That's my 2 cents, and I hope it helps you make an informed decision about whether or not to invest in the iShares Bitcoin Trust.